ਚਰਚਾ ਦੇ ਵਿਚਾਲੇ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਸਿੱਧਾ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਚੱਲਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਮੁੰਬਈ, ਜਿੱਥੇ ਜ਼ੀ ਬਿਜ਼ਨਸ ਮਾਰਕੀਟ ਐਕਸਲੈਂਸ ਅਵਾਰਡਸ ਚੱਲ ਰਹੇ ਨੇ ਤੇ ਡਾਕਟਰ ਸੁਭਾਸ਼ ਚੰਦਰ ਰਾਜ ਸਭਾ ਮੈਂਬਰ ਇਸ ਸਮੇਂ ਸੰਬੋਧਿਤ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਨੇ।
Dear Piyush and Rahul ji, all the friends from the capital market, ladies and gentlemen, I once again would say warm welcome and thank you very much for taking time off to come and join this evening. This event is probably, I think, 10th or 12th event. Every year we are conducting this. The uniqueness of this year's event is when the Lifetime Achievement Awardee himself asked me the other day that probably our selection criteria is not good. Why we have selected him? So my answer to him was, and is now, that I am the wrong person at the right time. He deserve much more than this simple award because Rahul ji has led the industry close to 5 decades in a very, very transparent, frank, and no-hold-bar manner. So nobody befitting we could have selected, and I must congratulate him and the family for this award. As the history is known to most of you of Zee, we practice that right from the beginning. When we select our talents, when we get the even entertainment programming, we get anything, we do look for new and young talent. And this is no different. And particularly these current times when all of us in business industry and in government also now, we practice that find the young people. And there is a saying that I wish I can hand over my company to the management trainees, because it's only the young minds, they have the lot of imagination, lot of thinking, lot of new ways of looking at things, which probably people of my generation might have missed a lot of things. Thank you very much for sending a lot of congratulatory messages for me getting elected to the parliament. But many of you also raised a lot of questions to me. कि कंपनी क्या आप नहीं चलाओगे, काम नहीं करोगे, अब कैसे होगा? But at the same time, you asked those questions to me. But the day before I took the oath, my group's stocks were up from 1% to 5%. So I do treat that the market wanted me to get away from the business, perhaps. I would say that my company's businesses are being well run, well managed by the family as well as known family professionals. And I'll certainly assure all of you that they will do much more focused and good business job than probably I would have been doing. But I'll still continue to mentor as long as they want, but not more than 1 to 3 years. I'm sure before the next generation start telling us, get away, we should ourselves make way for them. Coming to some questions, when I entered, Rahulji was answering them, and I heard some of the speakers. You may feel that I'm a sympathizer or well-wisher of this current government. Yes, I am. But I've seen very closely, and if some of you recall, when Shri Narendra Modi came in very dysfunction in 2013 in Ahmedabad, if you recollect, some of you, when you asked the questions that what if you get elected, what will you do? Different than what the governments have been doing. And in last 1 month, I have seen, and if you all go to a single website, if you would like to make note, Ashok, I'm sure you must be knowing it, Ease of Doing Business. EODB, Ease of Doing Business, .dipp.gov.in. I don't know how many of you have seen that website. Have you, anybody visited? Just one person? I think you should visit that. You will see there they have listed 340 plus items of what are the things which they have to do of doing ease of doing business. And the first thing you will find is that they want to reduce the number of regulations. And the number of regulations which were made, some were made prior to independence, some were made post-independence. But most of them were made by whosoever made them, whichsoever government made them, with the mindset that you are telling lie or you are not telling the truth.
ਤਾਂ ਜ਼ੀ ਬਿਜ਼ਨਸ ਮਾਰਕੀਟ ਐਕਸਲੈਂਸ ਅਵਾਰਡਸ ਮੁੰਬਈ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਚੱਲ ਰਹੇ ਨੇ ਤੇ ਮੁੰਬਈ ਤੋਂ ਸਿੱਧੀਆਂ ਤਸਵੀਰਾਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਦਿਖਾ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ ਜਿੱਥੇ ਰਾਜ ਸਭਾ ਮੈਂਬਰ ਡਾਕਟਰ ਸੁਭਾਸ਼ ਚੰਦਰ ਸੰਬੋਧਨ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਨੇ ਇਸ ਅਵਾਰਡ ਫੰਕਸ਼ਨ ਨੂੰ ਤੇ ਉਹ ਕਿਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਬਿਜ਼ਨਸ ਨੂੰ ਅੱਗੇ ਵਧਾਇਆ ਜਾਵੇ ਉਸ ਦੇ ਟਿਪਸ ਵੀ ਦੇ ਰਹੇ।
I am born on such and such date. No, we need birth certificate from somewhere.